Tired of your projects feeling like a juggling act with flaming torches? Let's turn that chaos into a symphony of efficiency with Trello Power-Ups. Power-Ups are like superpowers for your Trello boards, unlocking extra features to boost productivity, collaboration, and overall project management. To access them, open your Trello board and click on the Power-Ups button located in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Let's explore some must-haves. First up, the Calendar Power-Up. Search for Calendar and click Add. This gives you a visual overview of your deadlines, making it easy to spot conflicts and stay on track. Click on it to enable weekly or monthly view. Next, Custom Fields. Search for Custom Fields and click Add. Custom Fields allow you to add extra layers of information to your cards. For example, add a priority field with options like high, medium, and low to quickly identify urgent tasks. How about a progress bar? Search for Progress Bar and click Add. This lets you visually track the completion of subtasks within a card, giving you a clear sense of progress at a glance. Just add a checklist on any card to see it in action. Finally, Card Repeater. Search for Card Repeater and click Add. Automate recurring tasks like weekly reports or daily stand-ups. Configure it to automatically create new cards at specified intervals. These are just a few of the incredibly useful Trello Power-Ups. Experiment with different add-ons to find the perfect combination to supercharge your workflow and take your Trello boards to the next level. Now go forth and conquer your projects.